Welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Sue. You will learn tips that will help save your money in dental offices. So today in my video, I will compare regular dental cleanings to deep cleanings using the analogy of car wash, so you can understand the differences between the two and why and when you need to get one procedure over another. First, let's talk about deep cleanings, also known as scaling and root planing. You can think of deep cleanings like auto detailing. When you have not cleaned your car for a long time, like my car, the shop will detail it for you inside and out. Then in a couple of hours, your car becomes like a brand new car again. But do you do that every time your car gets dirty? No, you wouldn't. The idea is once you get the car detailed, you want to pick up after yourself. Take out the coffee cups you left behind, vacuum the crumbs your kids stepped on in the back seats. So you do your best to maintain what's been cleaned by the professional cleaners. Same goes true with deep cleanings for teeth. Deep cleanings are typically recommended when there is a significant amount of buildup around your teeth, or if you have gum disease that creates deep pockets of gums around your teeth. Deep cleanings involve cleaning under the gum line, which we call pocket. That is where bacteria can hide and cause inflammation, and in the long run, mobility or loss of teeth from bone loss and infection. So once you get deep cleanings, don't think that you don't have to go back to your hygienist for another couple of years. You actually need to go back every 3 months for professional maintenance, just like how you take your car for a drive-through car wash. This is important because your mouth is full of bacteria 24/7. There's no time that your mouth will be sterile. And your deep pockets don't improve overnight. The pockets shrink gradually after the deep cleaning through strict home care and professional maintenance every 3 months. Now, let's move on to regular cleanings. During a regular cleaning, you will feel a little bit of pressure and vibration as the hygienist cleans your teeth. These are typically done twice a year for people with shallow pockets of 3 millimeters or less. These depths are critical because that's the depth where the toothbrush, bristle, and floss can reach. If you're recommended deep cleanings, your goal should be sticking to strict home care routine and 3-month perio maintenance regimen so that your pockets become shallower over time, so that you can maintain your oral health by getting just regular cleanings for the rest of your life. Do not let the cleaning schedule slide. It always costs less to maintain your health regularly than playing a catch-up game through an overdue checkups and deep cleanings. Same is true with anything in life. So if you haven't gone to a dentist in a while, make sure to schedule your appointment and get cleanings regularly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.